Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel Asha Talks. So in this video I am going to tell you how to register on TCS Next Step portal. As you all know, TCS hiring for Ninja position for 2022 batch and it is totally free. Okay, so first of all for that you have to register in TCS Next Step portal. So many of the candidates are facing problem like how to register in TCS Next Step portal. So in this video I will guide you step by step how you can register for TCS Next Step portal. I will guide you throughout the procedure, so please watch the video till the end so you get all the information and all the steps you get to know about it. Okay, so here you can see on the screen it is our YouTube channel. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest job regarding updates. Okay, so here you can see on the screen here is the TCS Ninja hiring year of passing 2022 batch. Okay, so TCS is hiring for the Ninja role for 2022 batch, so register ASAP as soon as possible. Okay, and here you can see eligibility criteria: BE Tech, MEM Tech, MC and MSc candidates, and the year of passing is 2022. So this is the eligibility criteria. Now application process. So first of all you have to log in onto TCS Next Step portal. Okay, so I will tell you in details. So I will also provide the link in the description of the TCS Next Step portal. Okay, so simply you have to click on that link. After clicking on that link you will be redirected to this page. Okay, so here you can see first of all you have to click on the register now. Okay, so if you are the new user on the TCS Next Step portal, simply click on register now. Then here you can see select category. So you have to select category IT. Okay, don't select BPS category. Okay, you have to select IT, information technology. Clicking on the IT, a new page will appear. This is the registration page. You have to fill all the details in this page and okay, I will show you step by step what you have to do. Okay, as you click on the IT, this page will show up to you. Here you can see on the screen you have to add your basic information, basic details on this page. If you are new user to the Next Step portal, you have to register yourself, you sign up yourself. Okay, so here you can see on the screen you have to first add name. So simply add first name, middle name, surname. Then the second point is date of birth. You have to add your date of birth. Then third is gender. You have to select your gender. Then email ID. Okay. So adding email ID is most important thing because all the details will be shared to you through email or email only from TCS side. Okay, so email ID must be added carefully. Okay, you have to add your active email ID so that all the details from TCS you don't miss any update from TCS. Okay, so you have to add the correct email ID here. After adding email ID, there you have to add your mobile number. Okay, so you have to add your mobile number. Then you have to add your institute name. Okay, so you have to select your institute. Then you have to select your qualification. What is your qualification? You have done bachelor's of engineering, bachelor's of technology, bachelor's of science. Okay, or bachelor's of computer application, like you have done BSc, BE, BTech, anything you have to add that, and the year of passing. Okay, so this Ninja hiring is specially for 2022 batch only. So you have to select your year of passing as 2022 and then you have to select nearest test location. So here you have to select any city. Okay, like the city you live in. Okay, or the city that is near to your village. Okay, then you have to select any password. You have to select password for the TCS Next Step portal. So you can select any password that you can remember. Okay, then you have to remember the password for next time you log in, it will be required. Then re-enter the same password and then you have to write select security question. So you have to select a security question. You can select any security question, it is easy, and then you have to answer and then you have to enter the captcha and submit. Okay, so if you are new to Next Step portal, you have to follow all this procedure. Okay, after submitting this you will be redirected to the new page. I will show you. Okay, now so if you have already registered on TCS Next Step portal, the next thing you have to do is simply login. Okay, so simply click on login. Then you have to add your email ID and password here. So I will add my email ID and password here and simply click on login. Okay, after clicking on this I have to fill the application form. Application form is needed. Okay, application form is so mandatory. Here you can see on the screen, here are the process given. If you are a registered user, kindly log in and proceed to complete the application form. Okay, so we have done the login. then we have to do application form completion. Okay, upon submission, kindly click on apply for Drive. So first of all, you have to log in. Then second thing is application form. You have to complete the application form, and the third thing is apply for Drive. So I will show you everything. Okay, how to do. And the next thing is select your mode of center. So we have to select mode of test. Also, you have to give exam in center or remote exam. We have to select that, and the last step is track your application. So you have applied for Drive, it is showing your application tracking or not. So I will show you that also, that how you can visit and see track application track. Okay, so here you can see on the screen that we have added our login details. Now it is logging. After you log in, this page will appear on your screen. Here you can see all the details like application form, campus commune, track my application, and how to apply. So first of all, you have to click on application form. As you click on the application form, you can see on the screen some details will appear, some instruction will appear how to fill up the form. Okay, so you have to first of all add your personal details, then academic and work experience, then third is other details, and the last is you have to preview your application form and declare and submit the form. Okay, so here you can see where the asterisk mark is present, that field is a mandatory. Okay, so you have to fill all the details and click on save and continue, and after at the last you have to submit the form. Okay, so let's start filling the form. Simply click on the start filling the form. As you click on this page will appear on your screen. First of all, you have to add your personal details. So first of all, you have to select your nearest test location. Okay, so I have selected my nearest test location. Now next thing is personal details. You have to add your name, father's name, date of birth, gender, and everything else. And the next thing is permanent address. Okay, so you have to add your permanent address, what is your address, and present address also. Okay, so you have to click here yes, and you have to add your contact details like email ID, alternate email ID. If you have any other email ID, you can add that also, and you have to add phone number also, like you have to add your personal phone number and one other alternate number. So if they face any problem, they will contact to you. Okay, now the next thing is academic and work experience details. Okay, so here in this you have to fill all your details like academic and work experience. If you have any work experience, you can add, but as you know, you are from 2022 batch, and if you don't have any work experience, you can left it blank. Okay, so first of all, highest degree qualification. Okay, so you have to add this also, then graduation degree, then 12th grade qualification, then 10th grade, and if you have done any other qualification, you can add that also. And the last is work experience details. Okay, so if you have done any internship, any off campus drive, you can add there also. Okay, so first of all, you have to click and you have to select all these options. Okay, you can see here on the screen, you have to fill all these details. Now the last option is other details. Okay, so you have to fill other details. Okay, so in this section, you can see first of all, you have to add your nationality. You can select your nationality, and then the languages that you know, like what are the languages that you know, like English, Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, any language that you know, you have to add here. Okay, and if you have any language certification, you can add that also. Okay, now the last point is you have to upload your photo. Okay, so here you can see name, blood group, and you have to upload your photo. And if you have your CV, you have to upload your CV also. CV upload is very important for all of you candidates. Okay, now the last point is application form preview. So all the details that you have filled up in all these three sections, you have to preview all the details and declare and submit the form. As you can see on the screen, if you fill all the details in the application form, here you can see the tick mark, green color tick mark. Okay, so I have filled up all the details like personal details, academic and work experience details, and other details also. Okay, so I have completed all the details. Now what you have to do, simply click on no here. Okay, so if you have like involved in TCS process, like you have already given exam or interview, so you have to select yes, otherwise you have to select no. Okay, so if you are giving it first time, select no everywhere, and then I agree, click on I agree and submit application form. So in this way you can complete all your application process, and you have to submit your application form. Okay, so after completing application form, what is the next process, what is the next thing you have to do? Okay, so I will tell you about this also. Here you can see on the screen, here you can see if you are a new user, kindly click on register now. So we have already registered and we have filled all the details like submit your application form and click on apply for drive. Okay, so we have submitted our application form, we have clicked on submit. Now we have to apply for the drive. Okay, so I will show you how you can apply for the drive. Okay, so once you submitted your application form, this will appear on your screen. Would you like to apply for TCS recruitment drive? So in this you have to select yes. Okay, so selecting yes is very much important. Okay, so after selecting yes, you have to select your test mode. Okay, so you have to give exam in center or remote. Okay, so if you have to give in center like offline exam, you can select in center, and if you have to give online exam, you have to select remote. Okay, so my suggestion is for everyone to select remote exam, because as you all know, due to COVID, there are the candidates who have selected in center exam, their exam has not been scheduled yet. Okay, so if you select remote exam, your exam will be scheduled anytime anywhere. Okay, so if you select it is on your choice, you have to select remote or in center, you can select of your own and then select apply. Okay, so this is the process. You have applied for the recruitment drive. So here you can see on the screen that you have applied for the recruitment drive. Now you can, the last step is track my application. Simply click on track my application, and here you can see apply for drive status is you can see apply for drive status. Okay, so this is the procedure. You can see track your application, the status should be reflected as apply for drive. So this is the whole process of next step, TCS next step portal. I hope you all have understood what I have told you, whole process. If you have any doubt regarding any process, tell me in the comment section below. I will definitely try to reply them all. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video and if you find this video informative, please hit the thumbs up to the video, and thanks for subscribing our YouTube channel.